We hope you enjoy The Sound of Words, as read and composed by Rachel Lawson. Flesh and bone, I am but flesh and bone. As such I have a lot to atone. I consume the grasses of life, to feed my flesh which is the living's fife. My blood runs with the grass's essence. My life requires its obsolescence. The blood and flesh life's frame. I am but bones in death, as the earth life's frame does reclaim. Life's form melts back to the earth its mother. The dirt of my body brings life to another. The flesh in death feeds the grasses above. Life feeds upon the grass to feed their flesh, and suckle continues thereof. Death's token upon my grave, do not grieve. Just leave upon it death's token in reprieve. A single lily, fear not, my grave be not chilly. It is the home of love. I am now in heaven far above. Nocturne, or the music of the night. Extended. The night is like music, it is cool and crisp, smooth and elegant. Stars twinkle like music. The moon sails across the sky like a music score. The darkness is the beat of the heart listening to music, or looking into the mystery that is the night. The night falls like a sweet riff of music. The beauty of the night is the music of the stars. The ghostly light of night is like an aria soft. The song of the night is the unearthly glow. The ethereal atmosphere of night is like a favourite.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?